Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto, and today we are working on my goals planner. I said this when I was setting up the goals planner, but I wasn't ready at the time. I am going to do a 40 before 40, so this goals planner is going to stem from now until 2030. And when in 2030 I will be turning 40. So these are the 40 things that I would like to do before then. However, I am going to scale this a little bit differently, so you can kind of see like the grid style that I've already set up. I'm going to go ahead and work on that while I'm working on the first set. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out 10 each year. So that would be 40 by the time I'm getting to the last year of this bullet journal. So I will go ahead and set that up in here. The reason why I'm doing this and not coming up with everything right away is because life changes. So I want to scale things appropriately and leave spots for things that become a big deal to me next year and the year after and the year after that. So I'm putting 10 up front because these are things that in an ideal world I would like. And I could probably do that for all 40, but that's not really what I'm looking to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the 10 right now, and I'll work on that now and hop back on. In this setup, I decided to do some just basic squares for the 40 before 40. It's just a lot in terms of the amount of information on this page, and I will be doing it over like the course of the entire 4 years. So for me, I was like, okay, let's keep it simple, sweet, whatever. So instead of like trying to do these big designs or like potentially run out of room later on when I'm doing these designs, I decided to go in and make sure there's some predetermined room and then use the color palette that I've been using for the goals setting setups, and then use that to do these just really basic simple icons as background, and then I will write over them what the actual thing is. I feel like this is also a design that's simple, that can be replicated in the future months, and also it doesn't take away from the information that is on the page. At the time that I set this up, I wasn't sure the designs that I wanted to do, so I did leave this very bare bones. So I will probably go back in and add some more design, like from the color palette from the theme, which was basically like my office as a theme. So I will probably go back in all over the place and kind of add some more little doodles and touches that go along with that office theme, just to bring some more balance to the page. Okay, so that is the 10 that I'm starting with. So, and again, this is in an ideal world. Right now, the world is not so much in an ideal place, but hopefully some of these things will, I don't know, work out in the long run. So ideally, we would like to have a second child. We would like to expand our home. We have 2 different projects that include expanding our home that we would like to do. Again, I don't know how feasible that is in this day and age, but we will try. I would like to learn sign language. I'm already kind of starting because we're working on baby signs and everything like that. And I would like to learn how to sign like basic things, not like to have a full conversation. I don't really think I would be able to achieve that in 4 years, but maybe, I don't know, hopefully. But I would like to like learn signs for most things. Create one family tradition, read 40 books. I don't read a lot of books except for children's books to my son, so that would be like a big stretch. That's 10 in a year, and I don't even think I complete like 5 in a year, so I guess we'll have to see. Join a farm CSA, start a veggie garden, full digital declutter on my phone, and then this is kind of part of that is move photos to a drive folder. My dad did this a long time ago when he was moving like all of our really old home videos to like OneDrive. So now, not OneDrive, Google Drive. So now we're all able to access all of those photos and videos and all that kind of stuff. He like scanned in a bunch of old photos and old videos and did this whole transfer. It took years for him to do this, and I would like to start to do that for our family, and then spend a full day offline. In this day and age, it's really difficult. So I would like to attempt to do that. I think that would be probably good. So those are the 10 that I am starting with at this point in time. If you have any ideas of like big life, like changing achievements that you did before you turn 40, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love ideas as I go through this journey. Like I said, I'm going to do 10 a year. So hopefully by the time we get to that last year, I will have like a completed list. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.